In this video, we're going to learn about how we can use step. So we'll create a for next loop. We'll specify the range, which will start at 0 and go to 6. And then we're only going to output every second number. And then we're going to make a second one, which will only output every third number counting downwards in a bigger range, this time from 10 to 0. Okay, so let's navigate to REPL. We will create a new Python REPL. We'll call it step, create the REPL. We'll just rearrange so we have a bit more room to see our code. And we're going to start with for I in range, and we'll open up curly brackets and we'll say 0, 6, 2. So in this case, 0 is the first number in our range, 6 is the last number, and 2 is the amount we're going to step by every time. Put a colon, and we'll type in print, and then put in I. Then we hit run. Okay, so now we've stepped from 0 to 2 to 4. Now you'll notice over here in our pseudocode, the output's supposed to be 6 as well. So that's the difference between pseudocode and Python, because when Python uses a range, it normally doesn't include in step the last number in that range. It kind of ignores that. So if you wanted to include 6, we have to make the range 0 to 7, because it always ignores the last number when it uses step. So we try again, and in this case it's included 6 because we added a 7. Okay, now we've got a second example program down here, which is for I in range 10 to 0. So we're going backwards now, and we're going to go -3 each time, which just means changing the numbers. And we'll put this as -3. Okay, we'll hit run. 10, 7, 4, and 1. So you can see it's printing the correct output now, and it's counting down by 3 each time. So that's just an example of how we can use step in Python.